Hello traders, welcome to this video. This is Thursday the 7th of September and here is your 5-minute Bitcoin update. So on the daily, yesterday was a messy day. I'd had a really nice day on Tuesday, some good trades to be had, and yesterday just didn't really feel that edge. So anyone who was watching the video, the only thing I really had to say was about the midweek reversal, the fact that we were forming some divergences down there, but we were still in a downtrend. So it's just like, yeah, what can you do? So one of those days, glad I sat it out personally. I got stopped on one trade on the ES, but that's not Bitcoin, so we won't cover that one. And yeah, just sat the rest of the day out without taking any trades here on BTC. So on the daily, okay, so what we have, again, another doji candle. We didn't take out either last Friday's low or the 22nd of August low or the 17th of August low. So none of those things have been taken and we are just still trading within this range. What we do have on the daily time frame, just a reminder for everyone, okay, nothing too significant, but prices going down slightly, RSI on its way up slightly, so we do have these bullish divergences forming on the daily time frame on the RSI. Now that obviously that can continue, like we will still have bullish divergence even if price probably comes all the way down to like 24 or 23 at this stage. It was so oversold previously. So even if we do move down to 23k, the chances are you're still going to have bullish divergence when you get down there. So nothing really to read into that at the moment. Going down onto the 4-hour time frame, okay, we see this little New York Open spike up, well, spike down, spike up that we had, and that was basically we had the ISM manufacturing index. Usually never causes any volatility, but yesterday caused some absolute chaos in the market. So it was very difficult to trade, and yeah, but again, liquidity not taken. Okay, poor highs not taken, lows not taken, just trading within this same range that we have from down here at 25,300 up towards those single prints that we've got at 26,200 and unable to really break that. So very difficult to trade, and nothing was particularly clear yesterday at all. We had that move up that came into that 4-hour 50 EMA, which we've done similar. It's happened a couple of times already. Okay, we can see these EMAs when we've had these quick spikes up, very faded almost immediately. Then going down onto the 30-minute time frame, okay, we can see here. So we did break. Well, we broke down, didn't take the lows, difficult to get into a trade, broke up into weekly open. Once again, not really any liquidity that was taken here. And then we're now finding ourselves, as we always seem to be with these videos, is back at the point of control and around about where that VWAP is. So every time I do one of these morning updates, we just seem to be at the same price. So plan for today. What is the plan for today? I would say the fact that you got the move up and then the move down, okay, and then immediately you come back into golden pocket. Now are we looking at something like this? Honestly, plan for today. I'm recording this video because I do it every day, but my plan is just to wait and to look. We've got MPOC above, we've got liquidity below. So 26,280 to 26,300 is our points of control that we're looking at. 25,300, we have some lows that would enable a bit of a scalp position. Going over onto XO here. On the 4-hour, we did get that divergence on the 4-hour time frame, so this was building throughout yesterday, okay. We got those closes below, giving us those bullish divergences without taking out the prior low. So that is currently in play, which could give us confidence for a move up towards that 26,300. However, open interest is down. It's very flat at the moment. And the way that the market has been recently is any move that does happen is almost immediately faded. And you just have to, at this stage, wait for those extremes, wait for some spikes in volatility, and then just trade it in the opposite direction. It's the easiest way to do things at the moment. TPO. Okay, we still have poor highs to take out, so same situation as yesterday. All right, we've got a decent buying tail on this, but we didn't take out the poor low from back here last Friday. For myself, still the best trade would be 26,280 to 26,300. And then if we get through that, we're looking at filling the single prints and then a move all the way back up to that 27K area. But we need a catalyst. We need something to get us out of this stalemate where there's nothing going on. If you start to merge these profiles together, merge, I should have just done this as merge X, then we can see when we're looking at the, oh, come on, man. How many times do you have to click it for it to actually do it? See, there you go. So at the point of control, the value area is very narrow here. So if we are to get a move down towards value area low, would that be a reason to start scaling into a long position? Your lows are a long way off at that stage, and then you're looking at a pretty poor risk to reward off of these. So once again, just reiterating the fact that I would rather wait for liquidity in order to trade this, and there are other assets out there to trade. This is a Bitcoin update, but I think the likes of the ES, the likes of gold, the likes of the NASDAQ are much easier to trade right now. And if you want to know my thoughts on the ES, NASDAQ, gold, you want to know some of the trades I'm taking. Like I said, I took like 4 trades on the ES on Tuesday, all were winners. I took 1 trade on the ES yesterday, got stopped out, and then just sat the rest of the session out. And today, I think it's in a good area. Like we were talking about the fact that we were expecting that to retrace fully the move that it had from the end of last month, which it has done. And now I think you've got some good stuff going on there over in legacy markets. So if you are interested in my thoughts and the rest of the community's thoughts on legacy markets, then take yourself over to toroscrypto.com and you can sign up for the crew, which is where I am sharing all of those ideas. So go over to the website. It says toroscrypto.com. We're not going to rebrand it, but we are trading legacy markets much more so at the moment in that community. So I will see you over there, hopefully. And if you're already in the crew, then you already know my thoughts. And if you're not, then get yourselves over there and come and trade with us. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye-bye.